What if I told you your next smartphone might not be a phone at all? These 10 AI smart glasses can translate languages, answer questions, record your world, and even replace your phone. Wait until you see what's coming in 2026. Before we jump in, hit subscribe because the future starts right now. Rokid AI Glasses Style. At first glance, the Rokid AI Glasses style look just like a regular pair of stylish glasses, but don't let the design fool you. These futuristic wearables pack powerful AI features that can translate conversations in real time, provide turn-by-turn navigation, answer questions, and even identify objects around you without reaching for your phone. With a built-in camera, open-ear audio, and a lightweight frame designed for all-day comfort, Rokid proves that the future of AI isn't sitting in your pocket anymore. It's right in front of your eyes. Meta Ray-Ban Display. What if your next pair of sunglasses could replace your smartphone? The Meta Ray-Ban display brings that idea closer to reality with a built-in display, a 12-megapixel camera, and powerful Meta AI integration. You can check directions, read notifications, translate conversations, and even get instant answers, all without pulling out your phone. The sleek Ray-Ban design looks surprisingly normal, while the intuitive gesture controls make the experience feel almost effortless. If there's one pair of AI smart glasses that's ready to go mainstream in 2026, this might be the one leading the revolution. ROG XREAL R1. The ROG XREAL R1 is what happens when gaming hardware meets futuristic wearable tech. These AI-powered smart glasses create a massive virtual display that feels like carrying an entire gaming setup wherever you go. Featuring a vibrant micro-OLED display, an ultra-smooth 240 Hz refresh rate, and advanced head tracking, every game, movie, or workspace feels incredibly immersive. Premium audio and adjustable dimming make the experience even better, whether you're indoors or on the move. If you've ever wanted a portable theater and gaming monitor that fits in your pocket, the XREAL R1 delivers exactly that. RayNeo X3 Pro. The RayNeo X3 Pro feels less like a pair of smart glasses and more like a computer built for your face. With a bright full-color AR display, real-time AI assistance, live translations, navigation, and object recognition, it delivers a truly next-generation experience. What makes it even more impressive is that the display stays visible outdoors, making it practical for everyday use instead of just tech demos. Add advanced cameras, spatial tracking, and powerful processing, and you've got one of the most futuristic AI wearables that could completely change how we work, travel, and interact with the world. ROG XREAL R. 1. Forget carrying a giant monitor everywhere you go. The ROG XREAL R1 lets you wear one instead. Built for gamers, creators, and tech enthusiasts, these futuristic smart glasses deliver a stunning micro-OLED display with an ultra-smooth 240 Hz refresh rate for an incredibly immersive experience. Whether you're gaming, streaming movies, or getting work done on the go, it feels like having a massive virtual screen floating right in front of your eyes. With premium audio, advanced head tracking, and a lightweight design, the XREAL R1 proves that the future of portable entertainment has already arrived. Even Realities G2. The Even Realities G2 proves that the smartest tech doesn't have to look futuristic. At first glance, it looks like a stylish, everyday pair of glasses, but hidden inside is powerful AI that puts notifications, live translations, reminders, and navigation right in your field of view. One of its biggest advantages is its camera-free design, making it a great choice for users who value privacy. Lightweight, comfortable, and built for all-day wear, the G2 blends seamlessly into daily life while quietly delivering one of the most practical AI smart glasses experiences available. EdenLux II. Not every pair of AI smart glasses is built for entertainment. EdenLux II is designed to protect something even more important: your eyesight. Using advanced AI-powered vision training and intelligent lens technology, these glasses help reduce eye strain caused by long hours in front of screens. They also work with a companion app to monitor your eye health and track your progress over time. Lightweight, comfortable, and built for everyday wear, the EdenLux II proves that the future of wearable tech isn't just about doing more. It's about helping you see and feel better every single day. Lucid Reebok Smart Glasses. The Lucid Reebok Smart Glasses prove you don't have to sacrifice style to enjoy smart technology. Designed with Reebok's sporty look, these glasses let you take calls, stream music, get turn-by-turn navigation, and access your AI voice assistant, all without touching your phone. The open-ear audio keeps you aware of your surroundings, making them perfect for workouts, walks, or your daily commute. With a lightweight frame, long battery life, and practical everyday features, these smart glasses make staying connected feel effortless while keeping your hands completely free. Nimo Glasses. The Nimo Glasses aren't just smart. They're designed to transform the way you work. Imagine replacing your laptop with multiple virtual screens floating right in front of your eyes, allowing you to answer emails, browse the web, manage projects, and stay productive from almost anywhere. Built-in AI features like real-time translations, navigation, and voice assistants make everyday tasks even easier. Despite packing all this technology, the lightweight design keeps them comfortable for long sessions. If the future of work is truly mobile, the Nimo glasses are giving us a serious preview of what's coming next. NPS Envision. The NPS Envision isn't just another pair of AI smart glasses. It has the power to change lives. Designed for people with visual impairments, these glasses use advanced AI to read text aloud, recognize faces, identify objects, and describe the world in real time. Instead of focusing on entertainment, the Envision prioritizes independence and accessibility, giving users the confidence to navigate everyday life more easily. With a smart camera, intelligent scene recognition, and a lightweight design, these glasses prove that AI isn't just making technology smarter, it's making life better for millions of people. And that's our list of 10 incredible AI smart glasses that are pushing us closer to a world where smartphones may no longer be the center of our digital lives. Which pair would you actually wear? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing AI tech and future gadget videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.